JEE and everyone, dear parents and students, this is Dr. K. Panda, Principal Sunbeam Academy, Samneghat. Dear parents, today I am here to talk a very serious issues for the 21st century, basically for the student of class 11th and 12th. Being a school principal, our basic objective is very simple. We do believe in the holistic development of the student, that is scholastics and co-scholastics. We always try to make a balance between scholastics and the co-scholastics, both the part. What is scholastics? Scholastics is all about academic. Co-scholastics all about CCA, co-curricular activities, skill development, school life, peer group pressure, and other activities what usually we do. Either it is the sports activities or academic activities. So, dear students and parents, it is very imperative that if you wanted to make yourself a good human being, you need to make a balance between scholastics and the co-scholastic, both the aspects. Coming to class 11th and 12th, CBSE preparation is one hand. Basically, I am talking to the students, those who are the NEET and JEE aspirants. You are having two different goal and objective. One, CBSE result, and the second one, we wanted to clear your NEET or JEE examination. So dear students, for me, what I do believe that both the things are the two sides of a similar coin. It means you are supposed to make your preparation in such a way that you have to make a balance between your CBSE and as well as your NEET and JEE preparation. If you do well in your CBSE, if you well versed with your NCERT books and NCERT syllabi, your half work being done, right? So it's very imperative that you need to come to school regularly. School education is very imperative and the basic foundations for a particular student, not only for the academic excellence, but also for the skill development. Dear students, maybe that you'll get a very good job or academically extraordinary, but you don't have the basic life skills, then it becomes very difficult for you to survive in the world. And what you'll do once you'll get a good job, because you have to manage. So that particular management, that's what the school usually teaches you. At the same time, I do believe that it's an ecosystem. In this ecosystem, you are the student, your parents, your teacher, your school, principal, and the basic surroundings. This make an ecosystem. And this ecosystem provide you that breeding ground to become a good citizen and to become a successful person. I had a discussion with a lot many parents across the year and the student, and usually ask why students they usually go for the non-attending school or dummy school. One question came in my mind, and from each and everyone, that's the time management. Dear student, time constant is always there for you, for me, and each and everyone. You are having 24 hours in a day, and in that 24 hours, you have to find out the time for each and every activities. It's not only for academic excellence, skill development. You are supposed to devote something for your emotional well-being. You have to take a nice sleep of 6 to 7 hours. You have to devote time with your parents and each and everything. So that's exactly the time management. But time management doesn't mean that leaving one complete important part of your life, that's the school. You have to manage the time in such a way that you are supposed to manage your school academic, your emotional well-being, right? And you can say in terms of skill development, what happenings inside the school, and at the same time, preparation for your CBSE examination, because at the end, you are supposed to score good result in CBSE. Then only you will go to your IITs or the NEET and all these things. Dear students, I'm just going to give you a basic calculations. In out of 365 days, across in last 10 years in Varanasi, in the scenario of Varanasi, if I can calculate, it's around 190 to 195 days, that's the working days. It means hardly 60% of the days are the working days. So rest 40%, 100% time you are having at your home to study. In that 190 days, also you are having so many examinations, 3-4 examinations, and all syllabus has to be completed. So this is all about how to manage the time, right? And time management very important. I know that the JEE examination and NEET examination, these are both the high voltage examination in the country. And each and everyone right from the very beginning, they are having the basic concept in their mind or basic aspirations in their mind. They wanted to become a doctor or an engineer. But at the same time, you need to have basic skills, how to live your life. And school played very important role in order to make you an engineer or doctor. Because if your CBSE syllabi being done, your 80% work being done. And I have the statistical analysis of my own school. In my own experiences, I have seen even the students, they clear their JEE, their NEET in very first chance itself, and they are the regular student with a better percentage and better rank. I am having n number of example in my school itself. They are the regular student coming all 6 days to school, all 6 days to the foundational coaching, and in very first year itself they clear both the things with a very good percentage in CBSE and at the same time very good rank in NEET or JEE. So what I can suggest all of you, school is very imperative and very important part of your life. What you are supposed to make, that's the management of time. And time management, it's a collaborative work to be done together by you, by the school, by the teacher, by the parents, and what I've told that and your entire ecosystem. So dear students, it's very important that you need to come to school, and schools can give a lot of things for your life, and most importantly, always school makes a good human being. Thank you.